Looking to bring your slides to life? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stop motion animations using Google Slides. This is a simple, creative way to make engaging animations without needing any fancy software, perfect for teachers, students, or anyone who loves visual storytelling. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Slides. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can save your progress and access your project anytime. On the home page, you can either open a blank presentation or select a template if you want a structured starting point. For this tutorial, we'll go with a blank slide deck. Once your presentation is open, it's time to add your visual elements. Click Insert Greater Than Image and choose images from your computer, Google Drive, or search the web. Each image will act as a frame in your stop motion animation, so choose visuals that suit the story or motion you want to create. Next, we'll bring movement to your images. Go to View Greater Than Motion in the top menu to open the Motion Settings panel. Here, select Object Animations to start defining how each image moves across your slides. You can adjust the position, timing, and smoothness of each animation to make transitions appear natural. Remember, small incremental movements usually give the best stop motion effect. After adding animations to all your frames, preview your work in presentation mode. Step through the slides to see your stop motion in action and make any necessary adjustments to timing or transitions for a smoother flow. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've turned Google Slides into a stop motion animation studio. Experiment with different images, speeds, and movements to make your animations even more creative and fun. This technique is not only perfect for classroom projects, but also a unique way to make your presentation stand out.